Hello and welcome to another episode of today's GK. Let's begin with the practice question of the last segment. Hydropower projects we have to match with the rivers they are built on. Tehri Dam, Bhagirathi River, Tapovan Vishnugad, Alaknanda River, Vishnugad Peoplekoti, Dhauli Ganga River. We have to answer the correct answer here, of course. So only one is correct. First pair is correctly matched. State-run NHPC Limited plans to set up a 20.8 gigawatt of pumped storage plant in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Mizoram to aid the country's energy transition. Tehri Stage 2 is a 1000 megawatt project on Bhagirathi River. Tapovan Vishnugad is a 520 megawatt project on Dhauli Ganga River. Vishnugad Peoplekoti is a 444 megawatt project on Alaknanda River. With reference to Alzheimer's disease, consider the following statements. It is a psychological disorder which affects the memory and can lead to dementia. Trojan peptides is one of the preventive measures for it, as we have to select the correct answer. Only the second is correct. B is the correct option. The commercial failure of Biogen Inc.'s drug Aduhelm is putting new focus on the state of research into the cause of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is a neurological disorder. It causes brain cells to degenerate and die, leading to memory loss and other associated problems. It's the most common cause of dementia among older adults. Trojan peptides is one of the preventive measures for Alzheimer's, and the application of a low voltage electric field is another one. Khadi and Village Industries Commission works under the aegis of Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. KVIC is a statutory body established under the KVIC Act of 1956. It functions under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. In 2017 to 18, it launched the Honey Mission program. Which of the following organizations releases the seismic hazard map of India? If you're not well read, I can assure you, you won't be able to answer this question because it is Bureau of Indian Standards. Disaster struck Dima Hasao, Central Assam's hill district in mid-May after incessant heavy rainfall. The Assam government and Railway Ministry's assessment said the district suffered a loss of more than 1,000 crore, but ecologists say that the damage could be irreversibly higher. The district is on the Dauki Fault and is prone to earthquakes because of the geological fractures between two blocks of rocks. The Bureau of Indian Standards is the official agency for publishing India's seismic hazard maps and codes. Which of the following countries are members of the Commonwealth of Nations? Singapore, Sri Lanka, Malaysia. The correct answer is all of them. D is the correct answer. Commonwealth Day is traditionally commemorated on the second Monday of March each year. However, Commonwealth Day is observed on May 24 in India every year. 54 independent countries make up the Commonwealth in Africa, Asia, Americas, Europe, Pacific. The Commonwealth countries in Asia includes India and Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Malaysia, Singapore and Brunei Darussalam. Moving on. Who amongst the following is the chairman of the Interstate Council? The correct answer is Prime Minister. The centre has reconstituted the Interstate Council, which works to promote cooperative federalism. A notification issued by the government said the Interstate Council was set up under Article 263 of the Constitution of India by the presidential order, and the present composition of the council includes the Prime Minister as the chairman, chief ministers of all states as members, chief ministers of union territories having a legislative assembly and administrators of UTs not having a legislative assembly, and governors of states under president's rule. 6 ministers of cabinet rank in the Union Council of Ministers to be nominated by the PM. 4 ministers of cabinet rank as permanent invitee members. Consider the following statements about centrally protected monuments. Construction is prohibited within a 100-meter periphery of a protected area. If construction has to be undertaken in the prohibited area, permission of the concerned state government is required. We have to select the correct statement. A is the correct answer. The Jagannath Temple is a centrally protected monument with the ASI as its custodian. As per the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act, construction is prohibited within a 100-meter periphery of a protected area. The area extending to 200 meters around the monument is called a regulated area. As per the provisions of the AMSAR Act, National Monument Authority is charged with preserving ASI protected sites by managing the prohibited and regulated area. NMA set up in 2011 under the Ministry of Culture. If construction has to be undertaken in the regulated or prohibited area, permission from the NMA is required. Consider the following statements about storage gain. It is the tendency of grains to gain some weight during storage due to absorption of moisture. Moisture is absorbed by the outer layer of the grain. So we have to select the correct statement. Only the first statement is correct. A is the correct answer here. Punjab's state procurement agencies are now seeking a waiver of storage gain which wheat is considered a living grain, tends to gain some weight during the storage, known as storage gain. It mostly happens due to absorption of moisture, and there are three parts: bran, that is outer layer rich in fiber, germ, inner layer rich in nutrients, and endosperm, bulk of the kernel, which contains minerals and vitamins. Moisture is mostly absorbed by the endosperm. Which of the following reports or indices is not published by the World Economic Forum? The correct answer from the given options is Global Financial Stability Report, which is actually not done by the WEF. WEF's annual meeting is taking place in Davos, Switzerland from May 22nd to 26th. The theme is Working Together, Restoring Trust. Reports published by WEF is Global Risks Report, Global Gender Gap Report, Global Competitiveness Report. Global Financial Stability Report is published by International Monetary Fund. Global Competitiveness Index is released by the World Bank. Which of the following mountain passes are located in Jammu and Kashmir? Zojila, Banihal, Baralachala, Khardungla. Only Banihal is present, so B is the correct answer. Committee of experts constituted to look into the incident at Khuni Nalla on 19th May 2022, this Trambat of Jammu-Srinagar Highway. Banihal Pass is the pass in the Pir Panjal range in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Zojila, Baralachala and Khardungla are located in Ladakh. Okay. Moving on, consider the following statements about Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. It was launched in September 21 and break. It was launched in September 2021 and National Health Authority is the implementing agency of the mission. We have to select the correct answer. Only one and also actually two. Both are correct. C is the correct answer. The National Health Authority, under its flagship Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission scheme, has launched a revamped Ayushman Bharat Health Account mobile application. This was launched by the Prime Minister on 27 September 2021 and was recommended by the National Health Policy 2017 to achieve the vision of universal health coverage. National Health Authority is under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is the implementing agency. The Director General of the World Health Organization is appointed by, these are the given options. So you have to select the correct statement. That's it for today. Tomorrow we shall meet again with another segment. Until then, stay updated. And thank you so much for watching.